Wolverines may look like small bears, but they're actually the largest members of the weasel family. Despite their size, they have jaws strong enough to crush frozen bones and chew through moose carcasses. These fierce creatures can take down animals much larger than themselves, including deer. Wolverines are also known to emit a foul-smelling musk to mark territory, earning them the nickname skunk bear. What's even more wild, they can travel up to 24 kilometers in a single day, across snow-covered terrain, without slowing down. They're tough, elusive, and built for survival in the harshest conditions.